Minimal, organic, and deeply intentional. This is the Clear Fusion Japanese Wabi-Sabi style furnace pendant light, a statement piece that transforms any room. Its handcrafted birdnest design celebrates the imperfect beauty of wabi-sabi. Each detail tells a story of natural simplicity and artistry. The soft shadow it casts brings an organic texture to your walls and furniture, making it more than just lighting, but part of your home's design history. If you're looking for a pendant light that's more than just functional, something artistic, calming, and completely unique, the Glare Fusion Wabi-Sabi style light is the perfect choice. It blends seamless with modern, rustic, or minimalist interior. Light up your space with intention and elegance.